Ever been blindsided by a client dispute because there's no record of what actually happened? Paperwork gets lost, comms are a mess, and somehow a simple job turns into a costly nightmare. Your competitors are still stuck in the past, juggling WhatsApp, lost paperwork, and crossed fingers. You're about to have your site running like clockwork. That's where Insite steps in, your digital hard hat. We make construction site operations simple, taking the impact and saving you from disputes, project delays, and profit-draining rework. Let's show you why contractors are switching. Replace paper with digital forms that won't get lost or left in a van. Keep everything consistent, accurate, and easy to access. Track issues directly on drawings, so teams know what to fix and where. Use image markups to show what's wrong and what needs to happen next. Stay compliant with reports that prevent disputes before they start. Get real-time site updates, not vague texts or second-hand info, and stay in control with clear, reliable QA records. Stay secure with files that are backed up, time-stamped, and easy to find. Meet new quality standards with ready-made checklists your team can follow. We know time and budget matter. Insite's easy to learn, works the same across mobile, tablet, and desktop, and comes with direct support from the founders behind it. At Insite, we help you stay in control, win more work, and move on to the next job. Finish the day without the stress, knowing your team's on track. Book a tailored demo today and gain the edge on your competitors.